Good morning, students. This is Rahul Sharma, your German teacher. I hope you are doing well. Today we will do chapter first revision. Yes, we have completed chapter first yesterday. Now I am doing revision for you. First of all, we will start with greetings. Greetings in German. That is, how can we wish someone good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello, bye. That's what we used to say. Good morning. That is Guten Morgen. Good afternoon. That is Guten Tag. And good evening. Guten Abend. Guten is good. Morgen, morning. Good Tag is day, good day. Guten Abend. Abend is evening. Now, good night. Good night is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. And what do we used to say? Hello. That is hello. And greetings. Gruß dich. Greetings for you. Auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Bye bye. That is cheers. That is cheers. So these are all about greetings. And then we have done alphabets. For alphabets, you can see my old videos, or you can check your book also. And now I'm doing a conversation, so in which I am trying to complete whole chapter. So supposing there are two people are there. One, I am supposing Tina, another is Stefan. They are having some conversation, and in this conversation I will try to complete the whole chapter. So Tina and Stefan met. So Tina will say, Tina or Stefan first. Suppose she is saying hello to Stefan. Then Stefan will reply. Stefan can say hello, grüß dich. Hello, grüß dich is greeting. Or he or she can say Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, or Guten Evening, Guten Abend. Now, if they want to ask about their age, suppose they are meeting first time to each other, they are not knowing each other, they just met in a park or somewhere else. So suppose Tina is asking Stefan's name. Suppose they are not knowing each other's name. So how can she ask? Wie ist dein Name? Wie ist dein Name? What is your name? Then Stefan is replying, mein Name ist Stefan. Wie ist dein Name? My Name is Stefan. There are too many ways to ask name, but I'm taking one, that is Wie ist dein Name? Yes. Now Stefan want to ask Tina's name. So Stefan will say, und wie heißt du? So this is another way to ask name. Stefan say, wie heißt du? How you are called. Heißen is called. Wie is how you are called. So Tina, now Tina's turn. Tina will reply, ich heiße Tina. Ich heiße Tina. Or she can say, ich bin Tina. I am Tina. Now suppose they want to know each other's age. So what will be the question? Now Tina is asking, wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? How old are you? That is, how old are you? Stefan is replying, ich bin 12. I am 12-year-old. And Stefan want to ask Tina's age. So, und du and you. Du is you. Und is and. This is you. Now Tina. Ich bin 12. Oh, 11. I am 11-year-old. Okay. So in this chapter there is all about name. How can we ask name and how can we reply? How can we ask someone's age and how can he or she reply? Then I'm ending this conversation with Stefan saying Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is see you soon. Now Tina's turn. She will say cheers. Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers is bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. See you soon. So this is the conversation between Tina and Stefan. This is all about chapter first, and yeah, that's it for today. We will do chapter second in next lecture. Thank you.